Welcome to our journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Today we'll explore the foundations of AI, delving into what makes this technology so revolutionary. So sit back and join us as we unravel the mysteries of AI. The history of AI is a fascinating tale of human ingenuity and perseverance. From its early conceptual stages to the advanced systems we see today, AI has come a long way. It all began with the visionaries who dreamed of creating machines that could think and learn like humans. Now, let's dive into some of the key concepts that form the backbone of artificial intelligence. We'll discuss algorithms, neural networks, and the principles of deep learning. These concepts are crucial for understanding how AI systems operate and evolve. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on the development of algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. It's an exciting field that has given rise to many of the AI applications we use today, from recommendation systems to autonomous vehicles. Neural networks, inspired by the human brain, are a fundamental component of artificial intelligence. These networks consist of layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that process data and learn from it. By adjusting the weights of these connections, neural networks can recognize patterns, make decisions, and even predict outcomes. They are the backbone of many AI applications, from image recognition to natural language processing. AI is transforming industries across the board. In healthcare, AI algorithms can analyze medical images more accurately than humans, helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier. In finance, AI systems detect fraudulent transactions and provide personalized financial advice. In transportation, self-driving cars use AI to navigate roads safely. And in entertainment, AI creates personalized content recommendations, making our viewing experiences more enjoyable. The possibilities are truly endless. As AI continues to evolve, ethical considerations become increasingly important. Issues such as bias in AI algorithms, privacy concerns, and the potential for job displacement need to be addressed. It's crucial to develop AI systems that are fair, transparent, and accountable. Ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity and not just a select few is a responsibility we must all take seriously. The future of AI holds immense potential. From advancing scientific research to solving complex global challenges, AI could revolutionize our world. However, it's essential to approach this future with caution and foresight. By fostering collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and ethicists, we can harness the power of AI for the greater good. The journey ahead is exciting, and the impact of AI on our lives will be profound.